On July 30th, 1971, I was 14 years old. I was hanging around the house. I overheard on San Francisco's KGO radio news that a Pan Am 747 was dumping fuel over the Pacific Ocean in preparation for an emergency landing at San Francisco International Airport. I asked my older sister if she could drive me to Walgreens to get a cartridge of movie film and drive me out to the airport to film the landing. I filmed the landing at the Bay's Edge near the intersection of Millbrae Ave and Bayshore Highway, where the current Bayfront Park is located. Briefly, the cause of this accident. Flight 845 was to take off on runway 28 left, but the runway was temporarily closed. The crew instead took off on runway 1 right using incorrect takeoff speeds. The aircraft hit the approach light system structures for runway 19 left, causing the structure's steel to penetrate the fuselage, injuring 2 passengers in seats 47G and 48G. In addition, the impact took out 3 of the 4 hydraulic systems and electrical wiring was severed, leading to major degradation of flight control and landing systems. After takeoff, the crew headed out over the Pacific to dump fuel, to bring the airplane to proper landing weight, and to assess passengers' injuries and damage to the airplane. The National Transportation Safety Board determined that the probable cause of this accident was the pilot's use of incorrect reference speeds. This resulted from the series of irregularities involving 1. The collection and dissemination of airport information. 2. Aircraft dispatching. 3. Crew management and discipline, which collectively rendered ineffective the air carrier's operational control system. The complete accident report can be found on the FAA's website. Due to the extensive systems loss, the flight controls were less responsive. The crew elected to land at a faster landing speed, causing the bounce. On rollout, the airplane veered to the right side of the runway at 3,900 feet and came to a rest at 5,300 feet from the approach end of 28 left. 27 passengers were injured during the evacuation. 8 of them suffered serious back injuries. This may have been due to the forward slides not reaching the ground when the aircraft was tilted. 4 of the 10 passenger evacuation slides have failed to deploy properly and were not usable. The aircraft tilted slowly back onto its rear section during the evacuation, approximately 1 minute and 10 seconds after the aircraft had come to a stop. Remained tilted until after the evacuation was completed.